Taking the strain now. Secure that line. Hold it steady, hold it steady.
Right there, secure that section first. Copy that, moving in.
Compromised up there.
We need to secure that section first.
Bravo team, confirm rigging stability. We are clear to lift.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the right. Back it up slowly. Clear on the left.
Crane engaged. Taking the weight now.
Tension looks good. Steady lift.
Schematic shows significant stress fractures in this section.
Thermal imaging confirms it. Hotspots visible along the main spar.
Noted for immediate structural review.
The tolerance on this propeller mount is slightly off spec.
Noted. We'll recalibrate before the next stage.
The corrosion here seems more extensive than the initial assessment suggested.
Yes, I'm taking a closer sample now to verify the depth.
Run the simulation again with the new stress parameters.
Okay, the fatigue analysis should give us a clearer picture this time.
The corrosion on the landing gear mounts is significant.
We'll need the heavy lifting equipment to stabilize it before repair.
Look at the stress fractures here on the fuselage schematic.
We need to reinforce that section before we attempt the lift.
Hold the brace steady.
Secured. Lowering 3 feet. Watch the starboard wing connection.
Steady, steady. A little to the left.
Copy that. Hold it right there. All right, clear on the left. Bring it down slowly. Hold steady, almost there.
The stress fractures here are worse than the schematic indicated. We'll need to reinforce the spar before we skin it.
Almost there, keep it level. Pushing up now. Need another inch on this side. Confirmed, hold it steady there. We need to move that wing section next. Yeah. Agreed. Let's get the crane ready after this cut.
The stress fractures near the cockpit look worse than the initial assessment.
Agreed. We'll need to reinforce this section before the structural tests. This engine housing needs significant reinforcement before we mount it. Agreed. Are the replacement rivets up to spec?
The corrosion on the fuselage here is significant.
Did you check the readings on the starboard wing?
It's within tolerances, but we need to reinforce this section.
All right, easy now, bring it down slow.
Watch the clearance on the left side.
Almost there, hold it steady.
The reading is stable at 0.3 millimeters. Copy that. Applying final torque sequence now.
I'm picking up a slight vibration in the main strut.
Let me check the diagrams. Ensure it meets the...
The structural repairs are complete, and the skin panels look brand new. 850 hours well spent.
Is the starboard engine ready for the run-up tests?
Almost. Just finalizing the propeller installation sequence.
Readings look good on this section.
Copy that. Let's move to the starboard engine.
Bay 2 reports green on hydraulics.
Copy that. We are still running diagnostics on the avionics bus.
Look at that light. Makes her look like she's flying already.
Yeah. It's moments like this you remember why we do it.
Systems check complete. How are the magnetos looking?
Checked and balanced. We are good to go.